Milliposts. Jobs, Current Affairs, GK. Namaskar. Current Affairs Quiz, 26th June 2024. 1. How many medals were won by India in the Under-17 Asian Wrestling Championship 2024? A. 11. B. 12. C. 13. D. 14. Correct answer A. 11. Indian wrestlers secured 11 medals, 4 gold, 2 silver, 5 bronze, at the Under-17 Asian Wrestling Championship 2024 in Amman, Jordan, held from June 22nd to 24th. They competed in men's and women's freestyle and men's Greco-Roman categories across 10 weight divisions per format. The event precedes the ongoing U23 Championship. The 2023 championship took place in Bishkek, Kyrgyzstan. 2. Recently, where was the 64th International Sugar Organization Council meeting organized? A. Beijing, China. B. Paris, France. C. New Delhi, India. D. London, UK. Correct answer C. New Delhi, India. The 64th International Sugar Organization Council meeting began on 25th June 2024 in New Delhi, hosted by India, the current chairman. Delegates from over 30 countries will discuss sugar industry and biofuel issues until 27th June. India, elected chairman at last year's meeting in London, is the second largest sugar producer and the largest consumer globally, contributing 20% to global production and 15% to consumption. 3. Which ministry recently launched the National Stop Diarrhea Campaign 2024? A. Ministry of Home Affairs. B. Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. C. Ministry of Women and Child Development. D. Ministry of Agriculture. Correct answer B. Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Union Health Minister and Family Welfare J.P. Nadda launched the National Stop Diarrhea Campaign 2024, aiming for zero child deaths from diarrhea. The 2-month drive involves distributing ORS packets and zinc to children under 5. Initiatives like the National Jal Jeevan Mission and Swachh Bharat Abhiyan have reduced childhood diarrhea deaths. Emphasis is on sensitizing health workers and enhancing diarrhea management. Officials are urged to focus on cleanliness and prevention targets. 4. Recently, which state government has approved the establishment of one Prime Minister College of Excellence in all the districts of the state under NEP? A. Uttar Pradesh. B. Haryana. C. Bihar. D. Madhya Pradesh. Correct answer D. Madhya Pradesh. In Madhya Pradesh, the Prime Minister College of Excellence will be inaugurated in all 55 districts on 1st July. Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav announced a new drone policy and emphasized enhancing teaching for aviation, agriculture, and AI job opportunities. Each college will also establish a center of traditional Indian knowledge. To promote environmental awareness, educational gardens will be developed in all government, non-government, and aided colleges. 5. Kalubar War Memorial Museum, recently seen in the news, is located in which region of India? A. Bengaluru. B. Ladakh. C. Chandigarh. D. New Delhi. Correct answer B. Ladakh. In Ladakh, the Indian Army opened the Kalubar War Memorial to tourists as a tribute to Kargil war heroes, coinciding with the 25th anniversary of Kargil Vijay Divas on 26th July. Located in Aryan Valley, Ladakh, the memorial honors the bravery of soldiers like Captain Manoj Pandey. Local residents also played a crucial role in the war. Pre-Kargil Vijay Divas celebrations included a trek to battle site led by Brig O.P. Yadav, retired.